Hi, I'm Kelly Lizzie with eControls. The WC365 wireless airflow wall control for aftermarket new construction is a low-cost, easy-to-install alternative to zoning that solves the common problem found in most two-story homes, where during the cooling season, the upstairs is too hot, and during the heating season, the downstairs is too cold. It's less than half the cost of zoning, and you'll be amazed at how easy it is to install. The WC365 installation includes two modulating plug-and-play dampers that are installed to control the airflow to the upstairs and downstairs spaces, a WM wireless receiving module that's installed near the equipment and wires to the RNC terminals on the equipment, and the WC365 wireless battery-powered airflow control that installs on any wall in the home. Now let's take a closer look at the components. The plug-and-play dampers are modulating, so airflow can be adjusted to the desired level compared to a zoning damper that just opens and closes. The dampers connect to the WM receiving module using the plug-and-play cables provided, and the low-power actuators use only 2 VA of power, which allows the WM receiving module to operate using the equipment 24 VAC. If needed, up to 4 dampers can be connected to define a zone. The WC365 wireless airflow wall control requires no wiring within the home, works independently of the thermostat, and is already pre-linked to the WM receiving module. The WC365 eliminates installing a bypass duct and barometric bypass damper, which is difficult and time-consuming. Bypass is eliminated because the dampers never fully close and the airflow through the equipment remains unchanged. Installation time is significantly reduced. The WC365 also eliminates the discharge air temperature sensor, zoning panel, transformer, and thermostats. And if wireless zoning is used, don't forget the added cost of the more expensive panel, wireless adapter, and wireless thermostat. The WC365 eliminates these as well. Just 2 wires and 2 cables to plug in compared to 25 wires in a zoning installation. The WC365 solves the comfort problem by simply distributing more airflow to the space that needs it. When the upstairs needs more airflow, typically in cooling, the knob is turned clockwise. The upstairs damper remains fully open, while the downstairs damper partially closes, forcing more airflow upstairs. When the downstairs needs more airflow, typically in heating, the knob is turned counterclockwise. The downstairs damper remains fully open, while the upstairs damper partially closes, forcing more airflow downstairs. The WC365 adjusts the airflow to find the right distribution to match the demand for a comfortable home in every season. The simple operation requires no homeowner training or technical support. The WC365 is less than half the cost of zoning, much easier to install, provides a comfortable home in every season, and saves energy, making the WC365 a powerful solution for contractors and homeowners. If you have any questions or need more information, please contact us.